Welcome to Nouri's video series, where we're diving into the basics of your event with Nouri. Today, we're starting with the very first step, putting in your initial event details. Begin by inputting the event's name, the organizer, the start and end date, the precise time, and your preferred event type and location. Moreover, optimizing your event's chances of being discovered is vital. Achieve this by incorporating specific tags that align with your event's theme, enhancing its discoverability. Here's the key for your event on Nouri. As you tailor the event's description, aim to provide an abundance of information. Include an attention-grabbing tagline, and add trendy cover images that encapsulate the event. These visual cues are important in conveying the event's spirit to potential attendees. As you can see here, we added a robust description of our event with each speaker and their background. Structure your description uniquely to your event, and always remember that clarity is key.